Hello everyone. Today's video we're going to be talking about um, the British pound, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, and natural gas. All right, today is 1st of December, only 1 month left for 2024 to be over. So let's hope this we could close this year with a banger. All right, so let's start with the British pound. We're on the futures chart of the British pound. We have this rally-based rally, and then we have on the daily this drop-based rally, and also on the daily we created this drop-based rally. All right, so now fundamentals, the retailers are very bearish compared to previous behavior. They are also, let's see, the users and producers, yeah, pretty much over the zone. And the valuation we're undervalued against the dollar. All right. So that's GBP. Let's go to a Swiss franc. We have this rally base rally. Price came into that zone. On the daily, we have this demand zone also reacted off that zone. This is the fundamentals. The retailers are very bearish. Delete this. Retailers are very bearish. We're also undervalued against the dollar. And then also seasonality is telling us the price should continue to go up. That actually last week was like the bottom. Let me fix this real quick. See, yeah. See, as you guys can see, last week was the bottom according to seasonality. All right, so we are very bullish on the Swiss franc. New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar New Zealand dollar, we're on this drop based rally on the weekly. On the daily, we have this drop base rally. Then also we created on the daily this drop. This could be the base, all of this, and then we have a rally. Right? Fundamentals. We are undervalued against the dollar. We are Retailers are very bearish. Retailers are very bearish. Very bearish. And then seasonality is also telling us that price should continue to go up. Yeah, should continue to go up, 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 up. All right. So now let's go to the forex pairs we're going to be traded. Let's start with GBP USD. So GBP USD is same thing as the futures chart of this drop base rally. And so yeah, what we're looking for on the GBP USD chart is we're looking at the 8-hour time frame because this 8-hour we had this drop, this lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we created this higher high, now breaking the previous lower high. Now we're expecting pullback in order to continue to look for buys. That's GBP USD, and we will be looking for buys on any time frame above uh 8 hours and above. USD we are if the Swiss franc, we are expecting that price should continue to go up. Then USD we're going to expect for price to continue to go down. All right. So we're actually on a downtrend, which looks pretty good. Let me see if this trend line, by any chance, connects. We could put it like this, or if we could put it from body to body. Interesting. I don't usually use trend lines, but that's interesting. Um, Let me just put it like this. Let's put it like this. All right. So yeah, we have this drop base drop on the daily. We can see that we created this. We have this rally base drop, and then we have this drop base drop. So I just, or all of this could be the drop. Oops. Maybe it could be like this, something like this. The thing is that it reacted off that zone. This drop, then base, and then we have another drop. Now, price was doing higher highs, higher high, higher low, higher high. It broke previous structure, previous higher low, so now we are bearish. Now, I'm looking is for price to come back and give us a bearish engulfing, and then we're in. Um, if this leg to the downside closed under this rectangle, I would have entered around here. But since it did close below this rectangle, then the support, then and now it did after that leg down. I'm just waiting for price to come back to into the zone and then give us a bearish engulfing, and now we're in. If price continues to retrace and it closes above the zone, then I'm no longer looking for shorts the uh on 4 hours. I would probably be looking for shorts on the daily time frame. Gives us a pullback and then gives us a bearish engulfing. I'll probably enter at that daily bearish engulfing. That's the two scenarios I'm waiting for. And NCD USD, which is the least I like, same thing on the weekly. We're on this drop base rally. On the daily, let me delete all of this. On the daily, we have this drop base rally, and it created another drop base rally. All right, let me delete all of this. It's not necessary for now. So I'm just waiting for two scenarios. Just waiting for two scenarios. The first one would be a retracement back into more or less this zone right here without closing below this low, this higher low. All right. So wait for price to come back, give us a bullish engulfing, and we're in, or just wait for the daily time frame to give us exactly the same thing, a pullback. It could be a deeper pullback. It could be back into this demand zone. Look for a bullish engulfing, and then we are in. All right. Now, palladium. I'm not gonna discuss palladium right now. I'm gonna discuss natural gas. Natural gas, I entered a position last week, but I ended up closing because I didn't like the price action. We go to the weekly. We are still on that rally base drop right here. Oops. We have this rally base drop on the daily. We also had this rally base, this rally, then this base, then a drop. And last week it gave us a drop base drop. Now we created a supply zone over here. All right, all of this is the supply zone. So I'm just waiting for price to come back into that zone. Seasonality is already telling us that price should continue to go down. All right, look at this. Look how great seasonality looks. So price should continue to go down. I would love for the campus valuation. Oh, not this one. I would love for campus valuation to be overvalued again in order to execute this trade to the downside. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, just shoot me at the M or leave it in the comments. Have a good one, guys. Peace.